Dreamscapes Kitchen and Bath, LLC is a family-owned, East Side-based kitchen and bathroom remodeling company. As a licensed, bonded, and insured company, we specialize in kitchen and bathroom remodeling and cabinet refacing. With over 30 years of interior remodeling experience, we are able to provide our clients with the knowledge, craftsmanship, and personalized services that should be expected from Dreamscapes Kitchen and Bath. We specialize in progressive or traditional remodeling and always have eco-friendly materials and techniques available for your kitchen or bathroom. Contact us today to learn more, and we'll make your remodeling dreams come true. Your dream, our future.